This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, June 19th. Carnival Cruise Line is overhauling its loyalty program starting next June. The current VIFP Club will be replaced by Carnival Rewards, meaning lifetime status is ending. Passengers must now requalify every 2 years, and this will be based on spending, not the amount of cruise nights you have. This puts the company more in line with airline and hotel loyalty programs. They're also dropping the blue tier as far as their loyalty program, and all guests will start at red. Higher tiers like Gold, Platinum, and Diamond will require more spending to earn and keep your perks. Some benefits like the Gold pins and the complimentary dining and unlimited laundry for Diamond members are also being scaled back during this change. There is a lot to unpack here, and it's fully detailed on carnivalrewards.com. I'm curious what you think about Carnival moving towards a more pay-to-play model. Let me know in the comments. And a follow-up to the story we brought you yesterday of Celebrity Edge breaking loose while it was docked in Juneau, Alaska. The U.S. Coast Guard is now investigating the near collision between two cruise ships after a storm broke Edge loose from its moorings. High winds pushed Celebrity Edge toward Carnival Luminosa as it was leaving port, forcing Luminosa to back up to avoid being hit. Celebrity Edge did drop the anchor just in time to avoid a crash. No injuries or damage were reported. Coast Guard officials are reviewing public video submissions and say a probe is now underway. And Royal Caribbean is set to overhaul 3 of its ships next year: Ovation of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, and Liberty of the Seas as part of its ongoing modernization program. The upgrades will include new dining options, enhanced entertainment, and redesigned pool areas. Ovation will debut in Alaska, Harmony will shift from Europe to Florida, and Liberty will sail from England before heading to Galveston, Texas. All 3 ships will debut fully revamped. And cruise stocks ended higher on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 1%, 23.61. Royal Caribbean up 2%, 267.78. Norwegian up 1%, 18.39. And Viking up 2%, 48.66. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. And this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Carnival Panorama, where you listen to your favorite podcast. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.